Okay, when you are adding, changing boards, modifying it all, go to admin. If it asks you to log in, it's just your own password and hit enter again. Listen to my dog bark. For boards, click under forum, boards, or again from up here, boards, either one. For whatever you're working on, let's come to here. Click on modify. And then from here, if you want something to be after, a child of, or before, you have to click this to be able to move it. So if you change something to after, then it gives you the option to put it someplace else. When you're finished, be sure to click on modify. If you have a custom icon that you have linked to a host site, put that here. The icons typically in size are a maximum of 50 by 50. You can go a little bit larger, but it will stand out. Like I said, it doesn't break the board if you use something bigger. Be certain to be careful of permissions. You can, of course, click on check all. Just make sure you uncheck guests. We really just don't want anybody outside of our group to be peeking at all of our things. With that, if you are creating a new group, this happens a lot for the school, but you would go to member groups, add member group, create the name. It always remains private because membership must be assigned. And again, that's the way that we protect it. We don't do any required number of posts, but this is where if it's someone that you're creating a permission just for a specific board, you would select that specific board here and then click add group. From here, you would go back to permissions. The groups are listed here for who can do what. I actually don't know if you have access to permissions, and I apologize that I'm not sure of that right now. But for instance, regular members, this is where we would assign or change anything for who can control what. And again, once you're finished, just save changes and go on with what you need. I hope that this answered more questions than it raised. If it's confusing, please let me know. Thanks.